guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this heart-shaped basically box video edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to the background part and I'm going to find the colors that I want. I want red, I want brown. So the red one is for the heart shape. I'm just going to adjust it like this, go to mask and select the heart. Whoops. Just make it kind of like big actually. Then I am going to, I do need like a darker color, but this will do. Let's add like another heart shape on that, and then I'm going to add like black for the shadows on top of the brown. Below, sorry. And I'm going to kind of like feather that out just a little bit to create the effect. Actually, I might want to add it like on top here. And then I'm going to right click, create compound clip, and I'm going to mask it again and reverse that. Something like that. And once you're done, you're going to add in like pieces of like black stock video. I know that this process is very tedious, but you're going to like select some shapes and you're going to like add them like here maybe, and even like rotate them a little bit. And then I'm going to add like another one in like a different shape, maybe like this heart shape. For like the heart-shaped chocolate, and copy and paste that. And I don't know if they have like like a star-shaped one, but I'm just going to add in the circle. And you can add more, but I don't have time for a lot. Then here's where you can add in your videos to it. Maybe like this one. This is a photo, but like it's like Valentine's Day themed. So I'm going to just add that like here. And then I'm gonna add like this one maybe here. Let's just do that first. And then mask that again with the rectangle. Want to try to fit that in. And lastly, we have a circle one, so let's just put like this rose one on top. I know this is like super random and stuff, but I'm just doing it as quick as I can. And that is pretty much it, really. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.